Today, we're going to be talking about how to make money selling ebooks. What is good, YouTube? It's your boy KINGLATTA. You're watching Black Investors Group, and I am back at you with another video. And today, we're going to be talking about how to make money selling ebooks. If you are a college student, if you are a high school student, and you're making PowerPoints for your teacher to get a grade, but you want to make some money while you're in your college dorm room, all you have to do is transfer the PowerPoint or whatever project you were working on in school and put it on a website, guys, and you can charge people to pay for your knowledge. So let's get into how you're gonna do this thing right here. Many of you guys may be in college or maybe in high school. Many of you guys may be in college or still in school or still just doing some type of work that you can get credited for. You can get paid for doing whatever type of work you're doing, okay guys? Or say you're in a field like the medical field, say you a banker, you know what I'm saying? You can apply your knowledge, put it on a PDF file, put it on an ebook, and make $100 a day off of your knowledge, guys. All you have to do is run ads and make sure your ebook is good, and you guys can start making money. Completely passive.
I hope so.
Okay. The first step to this process of making money by selling an ebook is you want to know what you're talking about, okay guys? You want to have a topic that you are pretty confident, that you have strong knowledge in, and you pretty much just want to make a short book. You can make it 10 pages, you know what I'm saying? I advise making it over 10 pages, 10 to 30 pages, I want to say, okay? 10 to 30 pages, keep it at that, 10 to 20 page range, you know what I'm saying? And you can sell that ebook for $5 to $20 online, guys. All right, once you have that topic, so let's say you want to sell books on how to boost your credit. How to boost your credit, okay? You know what you know, and the reader doesn't know what you know. So all you have to do is write out all your thoughts. Write out all your thoughts on a piece of paper and your note app on your phone, and then just relay it on Canva. Okay guys, you guys want to download Canva. You want to pay for Canva. It's $12 a month. Okay, or if you're in school, you probably have free Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and you can literally or you can just use a blank notepad, guys, and get creative with however you want to get creative and get to write in your ebook, okay? But the moral of the story is you want to have a PDF file that you can upload on a website, okay, guys? The website that you want to get is called payhip.com. Payhip.com, it allows you to hire affiliate members. That way people will work for you to sell your book, and you just give them a percentage of the book. It allows you to, when your customer checks out, it'll give them a pop-up of more options to choose from. That's how you double your sales overnight, guys. And it also allows you to do a mailing list, guys. Mailing list is very important, okay? Now, what you want to do is to get your ebook store successful, you guys want to learn how to run Facebook ads, Google ads, Kindle ads, Amazon ads, or you want to be advertising, marketing on your social media platform. What I mean by social media is so important nowadays, guys, and it's one of the easiest ways, one of the quickest ways to make money. All you have to do is post reels, stories, post on your feed, your Instagram, Facebook feed, showing that you know what you're talking about, showing that you're already successful from doing whatever you're talking about. And all you have to do, guys, is post every day, pictures or anything, advertising is key. Post that every day, and people Make sure you have a call to action. Make sure people know where to go to buy your product, and people will start buying your ebook, guys, if they trust you. You have to make yourself trustworthy, okay? I got a link in the description on how to market your Instagram profile, how to make money off of having an Instagram page, guys. It's too easy. It just takes consistency, and that's it. Consistency. All you have to do is know what you're talking about. Post every day, and people will eventually follow the way.
Roll a G, smoking dope, can't go to sleep. It's about 4.
You want to use EnsignArticle.com. EnsignArticle.com is a great website you can use to find free ebooks online that you could either copy from, or that you can get good ideas from and good further knowledge from, that you can add to your own ebook, guys. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Please make sure you subscribe for more daily content on how to make money the easy way. And I hope you guys will take in consideration to what I said on starting an ebook, making an ebook on any information, any topic that you know strongly about, and posting it online and marketing it on Instagram. If you want to know how to run Google ads, Kindle or Amazon ads, and Facebook ads, make sure you subscribe. Stay tuned to the channel. Scroll through the channel. Look at what you need to look at so you can start making this money, guys. Okay? It's too easy out here. It literally takes one Instagram reel a day and you will be successful. Okay, guys? One Instagram reel a day will change your life. I'm guaranteeing it.
You talking money, want all of it, please.